Greetings, Hornet Nation. I'm Philip A. Braziel II, proud new principal of South Atlanta High School. But what I am not is new to South Atlanta. Been here since 2007 as a teacher, assistant principal, and now your proud principal. And I just want to say welcome and hello. School starts on August 4th. And even though we are under construction, we will be ready to rock and roll to provide solid instruction on day one. Keep in mind, school starts at 8:30 and ends at 3:30. I look forward to seeing each and every one of your bright and shining faces on August 4th at 8:30. Make it a great year, Hornet Nation.